This is just a small little Arduino project I've been working on, which was just learning how to use the 2x16 LCD screen, but mainly to work out how to use these little voltage sensors, and I can just display it on the screen. So in other words, that will give us 9.1 volts, which is interesting to see because it's obviously wrong. The reason that is displaying that voltage is because we're running off the USB cable, which is not giving a true 5-volt reference point. So if I plug that into a proper power supply, which is giving us a standard or a consistent above 5 volts reference point, you'll see what I mean. So I'm just going to pause it for a second. So as mentioned, this is going to give an incorrect voltage running off the USB. So if I just plug in, that's running at 12 volts DC off my bench power supply rather than the USB cable. Get the right way around. And now that's running at 8.38 volts, which is much more accurate to what's going on in the battery. Just to prove that, yeah, 8.45 volts. So that's with my multimeter and with the 8.38, so 3.6. So it's not far out. It's just a couple of decimal places out. So it's pretty accurate control. I've also just made a small little PCB with some switches on it, just so I can create projects. I've got some resistors so we can have pull down switches and then pull up switches in software, and a little 10k pot, which is just in this case just driving the contrast on the screen, but nothing else is being used on there. And these excellent little breakout boards for the little Uno, so you can access the voltage on them, which is really nice. Anyway, I thought I'd quickly just show you that.